Philippines, all over the country, right? So next up we have Mr. James Chu. Ayan, Mr. James Chu. And thank you so much to Mr. Pao. What's the last name? Ken Yao.
Rise sa ating maiden queen of Miss Universe Philippines Benguet, Michael Juan Ibarde. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating maiden queen. Thank you very much to all your support. Ayan. Ayan ang alay. Okay? Ayan, together with our Benguet and Baguio, ayan, naghalo-halo, nagsama-sama from the highlands of the Cordillera. So we have Kelvin Vicente, Mr. Universe 2018, Kyle Kimayong, Mr. Elite. There you go. O, diba? Actually here in Miss Universe Philippines Benguet, hashtag Benguet the Crown. Alright, so if you post anything about Miss Universe Benguet, kindly put the... Thank you so much. Ayan, maraming salamat of course sa ating medias ulit. Also to our sponsors. Ayan, more photo op together with Big Belly Restaurant, Cityside Inn, Cornelia Street Cafe, Targeting and Events, Carlton's Lodge, San Juan La Union, Flaunt, Estetica, iLux, Bridge Multimedia, The Platter, Our Memories Last Forever, Yo-Yo Entertainment, Vera Amorao Beauty Lounge, Mount Costa, Aaron Quitoles Fashion Designer, Evermove, Alictao of Chance Gown. Thank you very much for supporting our loved Michael Ibarde. Thank you very much, boys, for take your seat. Michael Ibarde. Ayan.